Class 8 Algebra Exercise 3A. Factorize. First number 9x square plus 12xy. So we have to factorize it. 9, 3 3 is a 9. X square means x into x. Plus 12. 3 2 is a 6, 2 is a 12. xy means x into y. Now what is common here? We can find out 3 and 1x. We have got common. So what is that? 3x, write down here. Now what is left? X, 3 and x. So 3x plus what is left here? 2 to the 4. And this side we have got y. This is your answer. Same way. 18x square y minus 24xyz. How to factorize it? This 18 we can break. 3 3 is a 9. 9 2 is a 18. X square means x into x. Y means y. Minus 24. 2 2 is a 4. 4 2 is a 8. 8 3 is a 24. X into y into z. Now we have to find out common both the sides. 1 3 we can find it out. 1 2 we can write. 1 x and 1 y. So 3 2 is a 6. xy, that is xy. Now what is left here? 3 and x. So 3x minus 2 2 is a 4 and from this side z. Same way, question number 3. We have to find it out common. From question number 4. 2a x plus y minus 3b x plus y. Now what is common here? X plus y, x plus y. So write it one side. And the other number 2a minus 3b, 2a minus 3b on the other side. Same way here. 2x p square plus q square plus 4y p square plus q square. So what is common here? These two. Write it down. Now what is left? 2x plus 4y. I have written here. Again we can find out something is common in these two. What is that? That is 2. So x plus 2y. Now these two we can bring this side. And then rest of the numbers here. Then question number 6. X a minus b 5 minus a plus y 5 a minus 5 and 5 minus a. Both of them are different. So how can we change this into a minus 5? We have to change the symbol. If it is plus, make it minus. If it is minus, then change into plus. Just opposite. So a minus 5, a minus 5. Write it once. X minus y on the other side. Same way here. 4, 2 2 is a 4, a minus b. 6, 3 2 is a 6, a square means same number twice. Now what is common? 2 and a plus b. From this side we have got 2. From here minus this 3 and here a plus b. Now we can multiply these two numbers. We will get it. 8 number same way. 8. 2 2 is a 4. 4 2 is a 8. Square that means same number twice. Minus 5 2 is a 10. A minus 2b. Common one on the one side and the rest number to the other side. We can multiply. 4 3 is a 12a. 4 2 is a 8b minus 5. Same way in question number 9. Cube. So write it. Let it be square. Find out common numbers. A plus b whole square. As we know, x square plus y square 2xy. Minus xy is here from this side. If you subtract from 3 to 1, you will get it 1. From these two numbers, we have to take out common. What is that? That is x square. 1 x is left, from this side 2. Same way from these two, what is common? That is 5. So x plus 2. Bracket 1, take it one side and the number leftovers to the other side. Same way, we can solve this. Two numbers we have to take out common. This is called factorization. See here now, from question number 15. We can't take anything common from these two. So what we have to do? first number and third number, second number and fourth number. First arrange it and then take it out common, so that we can get this bracket 1 common both the side. Here also you may find it out. First number and third number, second number and fourth number, and after that we have to take it out common. This is called factorization. 3a minus 1 whole square minus 6a plus 2. So what is common in these two? That is only 2. We can take it out common. 3a minus 1 minus 2, that is minus 3. Now still we have got common here, that is 3. So I have written here this side. Here also you may find it out. Same way all these numbers are there till question number 20.